What is up, guys? Today we are doing another Road to the Knockout Total Rush Party Pack. The last time I got Watkins. Let's see who we get this time. Hopefully it's somebody good. Let's go. Oh, it's a rush card. It's not good. It doesn't look good. CDM Germany. Oh my goodness. Who is this, man? Is this Andrich? Who is this? Oh, Jesus, that's so bad. That's so bad. Alright, well. What's up, guys? We're doing another party bag. Last time I got Arnold, and that was terrible. So hopefully today, get somebody better. Alright, come on. Oh, rush card is not a good sign. Is this the same card? Oh my god, I got the same guy. Oh my goodness, what the... Are you serious? What the... Oh my goodness, man. What's up, guys? Now we are doing the hero pack. I just got shafted from the party bag, so... Hopefully the hero pack redeems itself. Surely redeems itself. Oh my god, who is that, man? No, is that Mick? No, please. Who is this? Oh my god. What the fuck? Oh, what the fuck, dude? Oh my god. Jesus. Oh my god.